In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly share your Notion templates and pages. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing resources with friends, these step-by-step instructions will guide you through private and public sharing in just a few minutes. First, let's begin by opening Notion and selecting the page you want to share. Ensure the content on this page is ready for others to view or collaborate on. Once you've selected your page, let's dive into the specifics of private sharing, where you'll be able to share with specific individuals. To share privately with someone, locate and click the Share button. You'll find this conveniently placed at the top right corner of your chosen Notion page. Upon clicking, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Be careful to type the correct address so the invitation reaches the right person. After entering the email, focus on the drop-down menu that appears. Here, you'll set their access level, indicating whether they can just view the page, comment on it, or even edit it. Once you've adjusted their permissions to fit your needs, click on the Invite button. The person you've invited will receive a notification and be able to access the page within their Notion workspace, streamlining your collaboration process. Now, if you're interested in making your page accessible to a broader audience, we'll proceed to public sharing. Start by clicking on the Share button again at the top of the page. This time, navigate over to the Publish tab. You'll find an option labeled Publish to Web. Clicking this generates a link that anyone with the URL can visit. For those who wish to make it even easier for others to use the page as a template, toggle on the option Allow Duplicate as Template. This clever feature enables users who visit your page to effortlessly duplicate it into their Notion workspace, making sharing templates remarkably simple. Once you've set up the page for public viewing and selected any necessary options, it's time to share the page. Copy the freshly generated public web link. This link can be pasted into emails, shared on social media, or distributed in any manner you see fit to reach your desired audience. And there you have it. A quick and easy method to share your valuable Notion pages and templates, whether for personal collaboration or public access. We hope this guide helps you connect and collaborate effectively using Notion's sharing capabilities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions or feedback in the comments below. Happy Notion sharing!